going to talk about how can you create automation on your Shopify app, which will figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on marketing here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on create automation here. So then you come to this list. Before that, you have to get here upgrade your plan here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switching to open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here. Then here you just click here on choose plan here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switching to open video, and you click here on select start. Then it's going to show for you a list here to add your card information, and it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.